Today we're going to listen to a heartwarming story called Acts of Kindness. It's about a girl named Yuko who is new at school and still learning English. She feels shy and alone until one small act of kindness from a classmate named Lily changes everything. As you listen, you'll hear how kindness can grow and spread from one person to another, turning strangers into friends. This story is perfect for English learners, with simple words and a beautiful message. Let's enjoy it together. Yuko was new at school. Her family moved to this town last month. She did not have any friends yet. School was hard because she was learning English. On Monday morning, Yuko forgot her lunch at home. She felt sad when she realized this. She was too shy to tell anyone because her English was not good yet. In her first class, a girl named Lily sat next to Yuko. The teacher asked everyone to work in pairs. Lily smiled and gestured for Yuko to be her partner. Yuko nodded thankfully. They worked together on the assignment. Lily spoke slowly and used simple words. She helped Yuko find the right English words when Yuko struggled. Yuko felt less nervous with Lily's help. At lunchtime, Yuko sat alone with no food. Her stomach felt empty. Lily noticed Yuko sitting by herself without lunch. She walked over and sat next to Yuko. Lily opened her lunchbox and offered half of her sandwich and an apple to Yuko. Yuko accepted the food with a grateful smile. After school, Lily saw Yuko walking alone. She caught up with Yuko and walked beside her. They learned they lived on the same street. During their walk home, they used simple words and hand gestures to talk about their families and favorite things. Yuko felt happy to have a new friend. The next day, Yuko brought a small gift for Lily. It was a colorful pencil. She placed it on Lily's desk with a note that said, "Thank you." Lily smiled when she saw the gift. Over the next few weeks, Yuko and Lily became good friends. They ate lunch together every day. Lily helped Yuko with English words. Yuko taught Lily words from her language. School became a happier place for Yuko. 1 week later, a new boy arrived at school. Yuko saw him looking lost in the hallway, just like she had been on her first day. She remembered how alone she had felt. She approached the boy and offered to help him find his classroom. He followed her with relief on his face. That evening, Yuko told her mother about helping the new student. She explained that she helped him because Lily had been kind to her when she was new. Her mother nodded with understanding. She told Yuko that kindness works like this. When someone is kind to us, we want to be kind to others. Yuko thought about how Lily's small acts of kindness had made such a big difference in her school life. Now she had passed that kindness on to someone else who needed it. Small acts of kindness can change how people feel. They can make hard days easier. They can help people feel welcome in new places. They can turn strangers into friends. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, learning English is a journey. Every minute you spend practicing brings you closer to fluency. So be proud of the progress you're making. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you never miss a lesson. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to learn next, leave a comment below. Stay motivated, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.